What's going on, guys? For today's mod, I don't have the product in my hand, unopened, because I wanted to go ahead and install at least 2 on the car before I could make this video, because I wasn't sure how hard it was going to take, and therefore I just wanted to make sure that I could film this in one day and do it in one day and not take longer than expected. So it's not a really hard, but it's such an easy installation to do, because you do have to remove the panels on the car, on doors, and you got to make sure the wires are out and everything is connected the way it should be. But I'm already done with 2 parts of the installation. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like during the day, a side-by-side comparison of the side that's not installed, which the driver's side is not installed yet, but the passenger side is. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the driver's side. Even if you can't tell, there are actually, the lights are on. See, it's pretty hard to tell, to be honest. It looks like nothing is on, right? Here's the center, and there's the new one on the driver's side. As you can tell, it's pretty obvious that they are turned on. There's the back side. You can see how much light there is now in the back with the new ones. And obviously, the driver's side, there's nothing. They are on, but there's it doesn't look like they're on. So let me switch on from sport to classic. See the orange in the center? Driver's side. I'll show you. Doesn't look like, well, you can tell that they're on. See right there, the line? But not so bright, so you can actually tell. But on the passenger side, it changes everything. Look at that. And obviously you can't tell on the passenger side. So I will go ahead and do the driver's side now, because I have to go to work in like 2 hours. So let me get this thing over with as soon as possible. Alright, so after removing this cover, you're gonna go ahead and remove 2 T25 screws. There's one here in the bottom, and then the other one here in the top. I need some sort of magnet to get the screw out. Then you're going to need to remove your window controllers. This one was a lot easier. And after that, just start unhooking the pins on the door panel. Disconnect the wires. Now let's do the same to the back. You must cut off those plastics to remove the old piece. This is what it looks like with the screws in after you've replaced and secured the new part. So first of all, let me say that I did kind of cut myself a little. You can see it right there. I'm trying to remove this side. For some reason, the passenger side was a lot easier, and I had little complications with this one. But the process is, it doesn't take that long. But let me just tell you that this thing makes the interior look a lot better. I just can't wait for the night to come. Let me just put it this way. I just cannot wait for the night to come. But yeah, welcome to 2022. This is the new mod for the new year. So we are done with today's project on the car, and let me just say, it looks nice. It does look nice. I makes the interior different, of course. It makes it different and makes it even more alive. Like, there's more going on in the interior now, and I like it. I really do. So let me show you what it looks like during the day, and I'll show you what it looks, and I'll end the video with showing you what it looks like during the night. So nonetheless, let me say thank y'all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video, see what else we do to the car. And yeah, this classic mode. Obviously we got the center now. Now let's turn into the sport mode. Goes into that blue, the doors like there, and I was at the driver's side. And let me just say, I cannot wait to see how this looks at night. So here, let me cut into the night, how it looks at night, and we'll end the video right there. Subscribe, guys, and share if you have a friend that wants to learn how to do this. Oh, by the way, this strip used to be matte, like a satin, or like, you know, not gloss, and now it's gloss and matches the door handle. All right, and this is what the car looks like at night. Excuse the water, it's raining, currently raining. That's the centerpiece from the previous video. So you can see right there, pretty bright rear. Let me change the colors for you guys. So we're going from classic to sport, and there it is. And yes, it makes the interior look a lot nicer. So yeah.